blending mostly with the Spanish moss. That bird right there eats 20% of the baby alligator. Egrets eat the other 20%. Yeah, when I talk about a baby gator, now it's only about 4 to 6 inches. They're little bitty like that. They'll eat one about a foot.
You put it on the bench.
The gator. No, they hatched out of the egg. Yeah, they don't eat the eggs. No. Well, raccoons, but they're not going to get out in that marsh where she... Female, she goes out in the marsh and lay her eggs. She built a mound out of vegetation and wood, sticks and that, about 4 feet high. And she lays her eggs, and she buries that in the vegetation. And she guards it. She sits right there with them. The only thing that's going to get in there, the main enemy of alligator's nest, is fire ants.
Oh, really?
Get through there and eat them eggs up, bro. Sitting on the tree.
It's fine. Birds on the tree, the big one. Right in there. The big one going across the top. You see right in the middle?
It's the same one.
Yeah, he just keeps moving. They just keep moving him.
There he is. Yes.
Just been pushing it up a little spot.
They're scared.